Hi guys, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I would like to look at the pound dollar. It's got a very interesting configuration on the 4 hours, but let's start off with the monthly first. Right, on the monthly, we see that price has actually come down to this level 3 times recently since October 2016. Came back to test again sometime in August 2019, and as recently as February to May 2020, right? So it's a very telling period. Either the pound dollar will break this level or it will go higher, or it will at least show another bounce reaction, right? So let's remember that on the monthly, we actually have this sort of a monthly support level over here. So I just put it here. Okay, let me call this the monthly support. And let's just quickly go down to the daily. So we go down to the daily, we actually see this is actually the spike that we have on the monthly. And a lot of people are wondering why why price reacted at this level, right? On the daily is because this is the monthly support level. Okay, if you are going to draw Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, you are not going to get any Fibonacci levels at that level, right? You're not going to get any Fibonacci level at that level. Okay, so there's no point in zooming in too much, especially when you know that the level comes from the monthly support. All right, so let's just tidy it up, and the monthly support level, I'll just back it up to here, and then I'll call this the monthly and daily support. So now that we have monthly and daily support, where do we have the resistance, right? I'm inclined to put the resistance here. Okay, is the recent swing high, and price tapped it twice. Okay, price tapped it twice. So what I'm thinking price could do is make a push for the daily resistance. All right, with that, let's go down to the 4 hours. Okay, it's very interesting because on the 4 hours, right, here we see that price is clearly in a downtrend. Okay, however, price has broken the downtrend to the upside. It has made a high, a lower high, okay, and then now it's made a higher high, and then it's made a higher low, right? So it's a high and it's a low here, it's a high, and then it's a higher low, it's a higher high, and it's a higher low again. Okay, so if we were to draw the trend line properly, right, if I were to draw the trend line connecting the low and using all these taps, he just tap the wick of the candle, price is holding very nicely, right? So on the 4 hour, where can price push to? We have a low here, we have a high here. Okay, let's take a retracement to see how far price has come down and whether price will react upwards. Okay, what I like to do is I like to use retracement from the low to the high, and we see that price has actually tapped the 78.6 and even the 61.8 level. Okay, so let's just highlight the 61.8 level here. Okay, and of course my Fibonacci projection will go up to 27.2. Okay, so this will be the take profit, right? Very quickly, this will be the take profit. Okay, and then of course I have an entry at this level waiting for price to come back here. All right, and where my stop loss will be, my stop loss will be slightly below over here. Okay, just slightly below. In fact, it would be better if my stop loss is slightly below the 78.6. Yeah. So I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, so this is a very quick and simple analysis for buy entry to the take profit. Of course, if price were to go higher than the take profit, I'll wait for a retest to add to the position and play all the way to the daily resistance. All right, so this is a very quick and simple video analysis for trade of the day. We can even check with indicators. Okay, we can see the indicators. Not very nice moving average, but if I were to adjust the moving average, say maybe 55, okay, we see that price holds nicely below 55, and then when it breaks above, price holds nicely above 55. So now price is above 55 and the MACD is still above zero, right? Which means it is in a bullish environment. Okay, so that's all the time we have for today's trade of the day. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to catch you guys tomorrow.